Hello guys, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars, and this one is in the newspaper of November the 7th, 2020 on a Saturday in the additional, and this one will be a number, let me see, where is my... here. I need to, position the camera. No bumps. This will be number 1858. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them, 1 and a 5. Triple box. The 3 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 4 here, that means those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then triple box. The 1 is already filled in, so 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them, 2 and the 3. And then yeah. All right. Not easy at all. This number cannot be, this box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those 2 numbers cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5. These 2 numbers cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 numbers cannot be a 1. Those 2 numbers cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. But I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. The 5 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 4, so this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. This is quadra box. The quadra box, I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 4 boxes. I think this should be a 5, because 1, 2 through 4, I cannot place it here, otherwise I cannot fill any of those numbers here. This should be a 5. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so those two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 1. So the 1 could be here, here or there. Well, I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. This is also the 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. Alright. Let me think. This box cannot be a 2 or 5 because I need a 2 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 5 cannot be here. I see here a 5. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that I cannot place a 5 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2, this should be a 5. We have a 2 here, that means those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes in this box. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes in that box. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 box left for the 4. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. We have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other 2 should be the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so that this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. 2 numbers left, 1, 3, 4, so the 2 and the 5 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. How about the 4 and the 5? We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. And now, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 5. That means I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 2. 2 and a 5. Alright. Then the 4, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 5, 2, 5. 4, 5, 2, 4. Oh, this cannot be a 2, because we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. I thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.